Hey everyone, welcome back to our channels. These were trades for today, and our session was good. I will explain you all the trades which we took on our channels with logic behind it. So to join our channels, you can just click on the link in description or just message us on our Be My Support on Telegram. So let's begin with our video. Here, this is our accuracy for today, and the session started right here, and the first signal was for our CHF 5 minutes put, call. You can set your timer to the flag mode. This was a very good win. Here you can just see the clear support level. I've marked it. In this, the price was showing rejections from this zone. This means we waited for the candle to just reach this support zone, and we took an entry right here for the call side, and we won this trade with an amazing entry. Support was there, plus this was a very good confirmation with the rejections from the zone. That was a very good win. The next signal was for USD JPY 5 minutes down, and this we didn't get the entry, so we skipped this trade. Then the next signal was for GBP CHF 5 minutes down. This was a loss. Again, the next trade was for GBP CAD 5 minutes down, flag mode. This was a very good win. In this, there was a resistance level, plus the moving average was also near. So we took an entry on the resistance level for the downside, and we won this trade with a good entry. You can just check out. Even your entries can make you win the trades. The next signal was for Euro CHF 5 minutes up. This was a loss, so we skipped this trade. Again, GBP JPY 5 minutes down. This was a loss. Remember, losses are part of the game, so we just don't rush the trades. The market was not supporting our trades. Our logic was correct. The next trade was for Euro CHF 5 minutes up. A very good win right there. The price reached the support level right here. We have marked it. As soon as it reached the support level, we took an entry for the call side. This was our indication to take this trade for the call side, and we won this trade with an amazing entry. Again, Euro AUD 5 minutes up. Again, same thing. There was a good support level, same as the previous trade. The price was showing the rejections from this zone. We took an entry for the call side, and we won this trade with an amazing win. The next trade was for GBP CAD 5 minutes up, flag mode. Here, same thing happened. This trade was also based on the moving average and the support. The moving average was near and the support was near, so this was an indication to take this trade for the call side. We took this trade and we won it. Amazing win. So these are our 5 non-marginal wins for today. You can just see we have just recovered everything, even our loss at everything with our profits. The losses we faced with our good trades, after that we have recovered everything. This means you just have to be patient. Don't be like, oh, this one is loss, again loss. Don't run for the profits. Just wait. With patience, the market will give you itself. We are here to support you, not make you just confused on the trades. So thank you so much. That's all. Patience is the key to success. Plus, you can obviously just check this out. We have recovered everything. Our trades were wrong, but we won the trades again and again and again. So yeah, easy recovery was there. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.